Today we are going to learning first business services, that is banking. In banking, you can expect 1 marks question, 2 marks question, 4 marks question for the final examination. Let us learn in detail the concept of banking. Before knowing of the meaning of banking, we should just know that the history of bank. The banks are the lifeblood of the industries, trade and all the business activities. Banking in the modern sense began in England in 1600 AD. The bank was started in England country in the 1600 AD. Large sum of money in the form of gold were deposited. Nowadays, they are going to, that means the public, they are going to depositing the money. But before that, the people, they are going to depositing the gold with a goldsmith for safe custody in England. Goldsmith issued receipt for acknowledgement. At presently, what you are depositing the money in a bank, they are going to giving a receipt. Same as like in before in England, the England public, they are going to depositing the gold with a goldsmith. After that, receiving the goldsmith the gold, they are going to giving the return, that is acknowledgement. And this receipt begin to be circulated as a money and they become banker's note. What they have issued, that the receipt, it has been circulated, it has been treated as a money, so it can call it as a banker's note. And also modern banking is one of the recent origin. It came into existence only after industrial revolution. What we are saying that presently that banking, after that industrial revolution, this banking has been came into existence. In order to meet in rapid growth of financial requirement of industry, commerce, modern bank came into existence. This bank will providing the loans and advances. With this, the business, they can easily start with a proprietor. So the bank may help to that industry, commerce and trading activities. And also the banks are the important institution of the economy, providing institutional credit to its customer. And also the commercial banks are the important institution, it providing credit facility to the customers. The bank, what they have collected the money from the public, that money they are going to providing the loans and advances to the customers. And also they are going to charging the interest. From that interest only, they are going to giving to the public. Okay, let us learn the meaning of the banking. Banking, which means accepting for the purpose of lending and investment of deposit of money from the public, repayable on the demand or otherwise, and withdrawal by the check, draft or order otherwise. Here you have to make it, or you have to know the three sentences. Here first sentence, bank means it is accepting for the purpose of lending, investment of deposit of money. The bank will accept the money by issuing the deposits like savings bank account, fixed deposit account, current account, or a recurring deposit account. These are the types of accounts they are going to offering to the public. The public will going to deposit the some money. This money, the bank, what they are doing, they are going to lending. That means they are going to investing the this deposit of money. And also whenever the demand from the customers, they are going to repayable with help of check, draft or otherwise. At presently, many of the customers, they are not using the check or draft. They are going to, instead of, they are going to using the ATM services. Or even if that also, at presently many of them, they are going to using the Google Pay or the Phone Pay. These are the best example for the they are going to withdraw the money and transferring the money. That means, in simple sense, banking means, the bank means it accepting the deposit for the purpose of lending and investment. Whenever the demand will come, the bank will going to repay the amount with the help of check, draft, or otherwise. It is called banking. This you can expect for 2 marks in the examination. Next we have types of bank. The types of bank we can classify it as a 4 categories. That means the bank can be classified into the 4 categories, 4 types. First one, commercial bank. In commercial bank, we are going to looking the public sector bank, private sector bank, and foreign banks. And second, we have cooperative bank. In cooperative bank, primary credit cooperative, central credit cooperative, and state cooperative. And next we have specialized bank. And fourth one, central bank. The development bank, it is also included in the specialized bank. Let us learn in detail the types of banks. This you can expect for 4 marks in the examination. First one, commercial banks. The commercial banks are the institution dealing in money. These are governed by the Indian Banking Regulation Act 1949. In according to its, banking means accepting the deposits of money from the public for the purpose of lending and investment. The commercial bank, when they are going to start the commercial bank, they have to follow the rules and regulation prescribed in the Indian Banking Regulation Act 1949. What is commercial bank? The commercial bank means it accepting the deposits from the public. That means, when the commercial bank, they want to collect the money, they are going to offering the different types of deposits. I already gave an example. Different types of deposits means savings bank account, or a fixed deposit account, recurring deposit account, or other types of account. They are going to issuing to the public. The public will going to deposit the some money. This amount, what they are doing, that bank, they are going to lending, that means investing, or they are going to giving loans and advances to the public. And also, whenever the required will come, whenever the demand will come from the customer, they are going to repaying the by using the check, draft, or otherwise. And also, in commercial bank, we have the 2 types of commercial bank. One is public sector bank, second one, private sector bank. Here you can just observe in this picture. Here I have given the picture. In this, individuals, organization, companies, they are going to depositing the money to the bank. Bank, what they will do, they are going to providing the advances or money in the form of loan, like car loan, business loan, or a different loans to the public. Again, the public, they have to pay the interest to the bank. From that interest, some portion interest the bank also will offering to that customer, that is account holders. This is commercial bank. Let us see that public sector bank. The public sector bank are those in which the government has a major a number of public sector bank. That means, the public sector bank, it belongs to the government. The government is going to managing and own their banking activities. Here I have given the few examples for public sector bank, that is SBI, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank, Allahabad Bank, Andhra Bank, Corporation Bank, etc. These are the example for public sector bank. Next we have private sector bank. It is a just opposite to the public sector bank, that is the owned are managed and controlled by the private sector, that is individual or group of person. The example Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, ING Vysya Bank, South Indian Bank, IDBI Bank, City Bank. These are the example for private sector. And next we have cooperative bank. The cooperative banks are governed by the provision of State Cooperative Society Act and mean essential for providing cheap credit to their members. This cooperative bank, when they want to exist, when they want to start, they want to follow the rules and regulation prescribed in the Cooperative Societies Act. You have already learned the Cooperative Society Act, that is Indian Cooperative Societies Act 1912. According to this, the cooperative bank will going to start, and also the main objective of cooperative society is to providing the cheap credit, that is reasonable credit to the its members. The main objective of cooperative banks is providing service motive, and also here the cooperative bank, they are going to providing the loans at reasonable cost. This compare the rate of interest to that commercial bank is very less, but the main objective of commercial bank is making of profit. Commercial means they are going to focus on the earning of profit. This is called cooperative bank. And next we have specialized bank. The name only indicates this bank only specialized, that means they are going to particularly specialized, that means they are going to offering, or they are going to very unique in particular area, that is called specialized bank. First one we have foreign exchange bank. This foreign exchange bank, the name only indicates, that means they are going to specialized, they are going to very unique, that means exchanging of currency, that is Indian currency to US currency, they are going to exchanging when you are taking the international business. And next we have industrial bank. Whatever that the loans and advances, they are going to providing by the industrial bank. Like an example we have IDBI Bank, Industrial Development Bank of India. And next we have development banks and export import bank. That means when you are going to exporting or importing your products from one country to another country, this bank will going to charges some bank, and also this bank will going to help the collecting of money from the exporter or importer. This is called export and import bank. These are the four kinds of in a specialized bank. In examination they may ask, state any two specialized bank, that is foreign exchange bank, industrial bank, development banks, import and export banks. And next we have central bank. You are all are very familiar the central bank, you know that very well. The central bank of any country supervises, control and regulates the activities of all the commercial bank of the country. That means you have seen that commercial bank, this all that commercial bank, it is controlled by, that means some rules and regulation will prescribe by the RBI. The commercial bank has to deposit some money with the central bank, because of the some advantages may get from the central bank. The central bank of our country is RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. This Reserve Bank of India will printed the notes, and also it create that some rules and regulation, it is supporting to that commercial banks. You have seen that picture, it is a Reserve Bank of India, and also can just give the comment and you can just give the answer who is presently the governor of RBI. And also one more question, what is the number of the commercial banks at presently in India? These are the two questions, can just give a your answer through the comment. These are the types of bank. That is, we have, once again, just I'll glance it: commercial bank, cooperative bank, specialized bank, and central bank. Commercial bank means they are going to following the rules and regulation, that is Indian Banking Regulation Act 1949. What is commercial bank? It accepting the deposit for the purpose of lending and investment. It is called commercial bank. In commercial bank, we have two kinds of bank. One is public sector bank, private sector bank. Public sector means it is owned, controlled, managed by the government. It is called public sector bank. Private sector, the group of individuals are this private sector bank. It is owned and controlled by the private or a group of persons. Cooperative bank, it following the act, that is Indian Cooperative Societies Act 1912, and also they are going to providing the credit facility to its members at reasonable rate of interest. Specialized bank, we have four kinds of specialized bank, that is foreign exchange bank, industrial bank, development bank, export and import bank. These are the four kinds of specialized bank. Central bank, the central bank will control, supervise, and also regulate all the commercial activities of the country. In India, we have the central bank, that is RBI. This is called central bank. In the next class, I'm going to explain you the functions of commercial bank. Before that, can you observe this picture, the logo of RBI? Do you know that what is the logo of RBI? Tiger and coconut tree. What it means, can just give that answer through your comment. What you understand, that is coconut tree and tiger. About this, I'm going to explain you in the next class. Thank you. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನೋವಿನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗನ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು ನೋವಿನ ಕಥೆ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ತಂದೆ ಅಥವಾ ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ವರೆಗೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಸ್ಕೂಲಿನ ಗೇಟ್ವರೆಗೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಕಣ್ತುಂಬ ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ, ಮಗನನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಮಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನ, ದುಃಖವಾಗಿರ್ತಾನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ. ಮಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗೋ ಥರನೇ ಆದ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು, ಮಗ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಬರಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಪನ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಆಯಿತು, ನೋವಾಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ವರೆಗೂ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮರದ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಗನನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ PT ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಟಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಬೆಳಗಿನಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆವರೆಗೂ ಆ ಮರದ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಗನ ಚಲನವಲನಗಳು, ಮಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬೆರೀತಾನೆ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಮತ್ತು ಮಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಅವನು ಅಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಅಪ್ಪ ನಾಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀನು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗೂ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು, ಮಗ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ನನಗೆ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ನೀನೇನು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಗ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದು. ಮಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಬರಲೇಬಾರ್ದು, ನೀನು ಬಂದರೆ ನನಗಿಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ನೋವಾಯಿತು, ಮಗ ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಅವನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಿರು, ನಿನಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಆಗ ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ಬಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ದುಃಖ ಪಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರು. ಅಪ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಮಗ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರುವಂಥ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ನೋಡ್ದ. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಪಕ್ಕ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಅವರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮನೆಯವರು ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನಿದು ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಏನು ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾವು ಹಳೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮನೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮನೆ ಗುಡಿಸಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು. ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಂಬ ನನ್ನ ಮಗುವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು. ಆ ಮಗು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕವನು. ಆ ಕಂಬ ಅವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅವನನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವನನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿದೆ. ಆ ಕಂಬ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ ಒಂದು ಶಾಖದಿಂದ, ಬೆಂಕಿಯಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮುಖ ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಮಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಮಗ. ಅಮ್ಮ, ನನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪು ನನಗೆ ಅರಿವಾಯಿತು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಗಾಯದ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಟು ಸವರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸವರಿದ ನಂತರ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಮುತ್ತನ್ನು ಇಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಮುತ್ತನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟು ಬಿಗಿಯಾಗಿ ತಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಘಟನೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನೋವಿನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.